Hello everyone, today we will start chapter number 3 Current Electricity, class 12th. Topic 3.1 Current Electricity. The study of electric charge in motion is called current electricity. Topic 3.2 Electric current. The flow of electric charges through a conductor constitutes an electric current I equal to Q upon T, or electric current equal to electric charge upon time. SI unit is ampere. Topic 3.3 Electromotive force EMF. The electromotive force of an source may be defined as the work done by source in a taking a unit positive charge from lower to higher potential. E equal to work done upon charge. Work done equal to force into displacement upon charge. SI unit is EMF is volt. EMF versus potential difference. Electromotive force or potential difference. It is the work done by a source in taking a unit charge once round the complete circuit. Potential difference. It is the amount of work done in taking a unit charge from one point of a circuit to another. It exists even when circuit is not closed. It exists only when circuit is closed. It has not electrostatic origin. It originates from the electrostatic field set up by the charges accumulated on the two terminals of the source. It is causes when EMF is applied in a circuit, potential difference is caused. It is an effect. It is a larger than potential difference across any circuit element. It is always less than the EMF. Topic 3.5 Ohm's law. The current flow through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference applied across its end, provided the temperature and other physical conditions remains unchanged. V is directly proportional to the I. V equal to the Ri. R is a resistance of a conductor. R equal to V upon I. करंट और वोल्ट पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस का ग्राफ स्ट्रेट लाइन. Resistance. The resistance of a conductor is the property of virtue which it opposes the flow of charges through it. SI unit of resistance is R equal to V upon I is ohm. 1 ohm equal to 1 volt upon 1 ampere. Topic 3.6 Factors affecting the resistivity. Length. The resistance R of a conductor is directly proportional to its length, that is, R is directly proportional to the L. Area of a cross section. The resistance of a conductor uniform is inversely proportional to its area of a cross section A, that is, R is inversely proportional to the 1 upon A, so R is directly proportional to the L upon A. Nature of the material. The resistance of a conductor also depends on the nature of its material. For combining the above factors, R directly proportional to the L upon A, or R equal to rho L upon A. Rho is a resistivity or specific resistance. Its SI unit is ohm meter. Topic 3.7 Current density. The current density at any point inside a conductor is defined as the amount of charge flowing per second through a unit area held normal to the direction of the flow of charge at that of point. Current density J equal to the I upon A equal to I A cos theta. I equal to the J A cos theta. J A vector form. SI unit is ampere meter inverse square. Dimension A L inverse square. Conductance. The conductance of a conductor is the easy with which electric charges flow through it. It is equal to the reciprocal of its resistance and is denoted by G. G is inversely proportional to the resistance. SI unit is ohm inverse or mho or Siemens. Conductivity. The reciprocal of a resistance of a material is called its conductivity and denoted by sigma. Sigma equal to 1 upon P. SI unit is ohm inverse or meter inverse or Siemens inverse. Topic 3.8 Color code for carbon resistance register. A color code is used to indicate the resistance value of a carbon resistor and its percentage accuracy. यहाँ पे colors given हैं and letter as an aid to memory and number multiples color tolerance. Black B, brown B, red R, orange O, yellow Y, green G, blue B, violet V, grey G, white B.B. Roy of Great Britain had very good wife. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here register given. Topic 3.9 Carriers of a current. The charged particle which by following in a definite direction set up an electric current are called current carriers. Different types are in solid. In metallic conductors, electrons are the charge carriers. The electric current is due to drift of electrons from low to high potential. In liquids, the in electrolytic liquids, the charge carriers are positively and negatively charged ions. For example, CuSO4 solution, Cu2 plus and SO4 2 minus ions. In gases, in ionized gases, positive and negative ions are electrons are the charge carriers. In vacuum tubes like radio values, cathode ray, oscillator scope, pictures tube, etc. Topic 3.10 Reaction time. The average time that elapses between two successive collisions of an electron is called reaction time. Drift velocity. It may be defined as the average velocity gained by the free electrons of a conductor in opposite direction of externally applied electric field. Vd equal to the A vector torque equal to minus E electric field and torque upon M. Topic 3.11 Movability of a charge carriers. The movability of a charge carriers is the drift velocity acquired by it is a unit electric field. Mu equal to Vd upon E. For an electron, mu E equal to torque E electrons के लिए upon Me. For an hole, mu H equal to E torque H upon Mh. Topic 3.12